We want medium and small factories can use our robot. We will let even the most small factories can use robot. This is purpose of Jihoyen robot. The robot market is still belong to European brand in 2014. Jihoyen robot don't want to directly compete with them. We focus on medium and small factories and we mainly produce welding robots. Jihoyen's target is very clear. Those small factories have small scale and less funds. 80% factories in China is small factory, and almost all the small factories need high technical machines urgently. And small factories need upgrade automatic ability to increase their market competitiveness. Jihoyen Company works together with some famous graduate school to get more technical support. Jihoyen Company now have 20 kinds of industrial robots, and they are the first company in China to develop welding robots. Companies in China don't want to develop welding robot and applications. The most popular products is handling robot, because handling robot only require the start and end, and it don't need so much accuracy. But many of robot welding applications need full position welding, and the work pieces are always different and complex. And the welding seam will have different shape, so the welding robot needs high accuracy. Jihoyen Company thought this is a chance for them. Then they are focused on developing welding robots. And now they have mass production. The robots are used in many industries, such as auto parts, electrical car and motor car, steel furniture, fitness equipment, medical instruments, new energy, steel structure, kitchen light fixture, construction machinery, building template, power tower, and so on. Welding robot will need to confirm the robot's stability, speed and accuracy, and also we need to think about the welding process, parameter of welding power source, welding speed, welding sequence, angle of touch, welding material, workpiece, gas protection, clamps, and so on. Jihoyen welding robot has made this serious technical matching fusion. Welding engineers are always working in hard environment. There are a lot of radiation, high temperature, and scales. The welding smoke can lead to lung disease. Welding arc is harmful for eyes. The engineers need to wear heavy clothes, also in hot weather. Now, in the factory, 80% of welding engineers are old men. Young people don't want to work as welding engineers. So, in future, it will be very difficult to find good workers. Now, all the factories need welding robot and applications. So, we're coming with good robot. Good welding engineer can get very good welding result. It is due to their years experience and technology accumulation. But now, these engineers are getting older, and no one wants to work on welding. Engineers in Jihoyen Company like welding industry. We respect good welder and we summarize the welding technology and profession parameter right into the robot controller. We have our own welding professional database. Robot operator only need to tell the robot material, thickness, and other basic requirements. Then, Jihoyen robot will calculate the best welding parameter and get good welding results. Now the factories are very difficult to find good workers. Welding engineers' salary is the most expensive in factories. Jihoyen robot is professional and the price of a robot is good. Cost of our standard robot is similar as 1 year's salary of a good welder. The robot design life is 10 years. The robot can work 24 hours with no stop. Jihoyen robot is changing the robot industry. We make a lot of small factories to use good Jihoyen robot. In future, the robot will be like the standard tools. Everyone can use it. The market is very big, and only we can go into this market. At the same time, we let people who produce robots in China see the hope. Chinese robots can get good welding results with cheap price. The application of welding robots is rapidly popularized, increasing factory productivity, improving production efficiency, consistent weld formation, and great improving product qualification rate. Jihoyen welding robot can communicate wirelessly with the factory production management system, and all welding parameters can be uploaded in real time. The entire process can be monitored and traceable. In the future, the industrial factory will have the intelligent workshop data link. The Jihoyen robot is a port for producing big data. Welders are all in the front line of the workshop, especially in the heavy industry. There are a large number of electric welders. The more people in the workshop, the more likely they are to have personal injury accidents. The Jihoyen robot insists on people-oriented and safety first. Give the work to the robot and leave the time to the family. In order to solve more industrial applications, Jihoyen Company continues to invest in develop more and more types of robot applications. Since its establishment, Jihoyen has developed, produced and sold various industrial robots. We provide industrial robots with various functions such as welding, cutting, grinding, packaging, assembly and handling, as well as corresponding complete solutions. Years of research and development production has enabled Jihoyen Company to accumulate a wealth of experience and gain a good reputation in the robot industry. In recent years, the concept of artificial intelligence has been continually booming, and emerging technologies such as robotics, cloud computing, and big data have developed rapidly. Jihoyen Company has carefully summarized the experience of robotic product manufacturing and has accelerated the upgrade of robot-related products, while constantly striving to improve business capabilities. Jihoyen also actively helps industry peers to make progress together. Over the years, Jihoyen Company has been committed to help small and medium-sized manufacturing enterprises to improve their automation, reduce labor costs. Jihoyen strives to achieve unmanned factories and strives to create value for users and society. Jihoyen's enthusiasm, meticulous and patient service has won wide acclaim from all customers. For the future market layout, Jihoyen will still insist on serving small factories. This original intention will not change even if your factory is small as a workshop. As long as your product meets the robot using characteristics, we must let you can afford robot and use robot. With keen market insight and precise sales positioning, Jihoyen has become the most important member of the robot industry. Don't forget your heart, you'll reach your goal. Jihoyen Robot is always helping others. We will respond to the national strategy and always go with the party. As a purely domestic robot enterprise, as a national high-tech enterprise, Jihoyen has the responsibility to actively participate in the general trend of intelligent manufacturing. We will do our best to develop more and more robot applications. Jihoyen's vision is to make every factory can use robot.